Sejin here. The much anticipated Upscale tool has finally arrived on Midjourney. You can now 2x and even 4x your images straight from the Midjourney server. You no longer have to use third-party tools to upscale your images, but is it worth it? Let's dive right in to find out. First, let's generate a quick image on Midjourney. I'll input my prompt. So in order to upscale your image, you have to hit the upscale button. Here, I'll upscale the second image by hitting the U2 button. Once it's done generating, you'll see the options like the Vary tool, the Zoom tool, and now the Upscale tool. You can either 2x or 4x your image size. What does that mean? The image I generated here is a 1024 by 1024 image, which means if I upscale it by 2x, 2048 by 2048. 4x will be 4096 by 4096. Let me hit the Upscale 2x button. Once you upscale your image, you'll lose the ability to use the other tools like the Vary tool. Now you only have two choices, either redo the 2x upscale or you can upscale it to 4x. Let's upscale it to 4x by hitting the Redo Upscale 4x button. And there you go. But how do the images compare? Let me open up the original image and zoom in. At around 600% zoom, you can see that the image, especially in the eye and skin area, gets pixelated. If we open up the 2x image and zoom in at 500%, the eyes and the skin is a lot smoother and the texture of the skin is still very visible. Now with the 4x image, I only need to zoom in about 200 to 300% to get the same close-up. You can see that even at this range, the eyes and the skin is clean and the texture is still very visible. I'm very impressed with the output with the new zoom function, but note that using the 4x upscaler will cost roughly 3 times more GPU minutes than the 2x upscaler. So if you need to upscale a lot of images, I recommend using a separate upscale app. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.